Lucy, when Mummy told you that she was having a baby, what did you say you thought was in her tummy?
A girl.
No, you thought it was more than a girl.
Twins.
Put your fingers down.
Twins.
You wanted twins. What did you want?
2 sisters.
Did you want 2 sisters?
Yes.
Then I found out there's only one baby, didn't I? So what did you want then?
A girl.
Why do you want a girl?
Because I like girls.
Why do you like girls?
Because they're good and boys are more rougher.
Okay. Put your fingers down. So what do you think Mummy's having?
Girl.
You want a girl? How many? What have you got already? Have you got a sister or a brother?
A brother.
Oh, you've got a brother. What happened? What would you do if you had 2 brothers? Would that be fun to have 2 little brothers?
I'll play with the other brother that can't walk.
Okay. Would you play with Henry too, though?
Yes. I'll hold their hands and teach them how to walk.
And what if you got a little sister? So you had a brother and a sister.
I'll play with both.
Okay. Well, do you want me to show you what it is? I'll get the photo out. On the photo, it says it's a
Girl.
Is that good? Are you happy to have a little sister?
What did the other one say?
It's a girl, it says.
All of them?
2 of them say it's a girl. So you're going to have a little brother and a little sister.
I knew it, Mommy. It is a girl. It's a girl. It's a girl. It's a girl.
You don't want a little sister? Do you want a little sister? Yeah, sisters are good, aren't they? Except for when they bash your head up, like they did today. You gonna have a little sister? Yeah.
Girl, girl, girl. Girl. I knew it, Mommy.
Are you gonna give your clothes to her when they're too small?
Yes. Like my butterfly dress up and my other clothes that are too small now.
Are you gonna share your room with her when she gets a bit bigger?
Yeah.
That'd be fun. Bunk beds?
Yes. I will get a girl bunk bed.
Yay.
Henry won't get a bunk bed.
You won't.
He'll just have a bed just like mine.
Is that cool?
I get to sleep on the top because I'm bigger.
What do you have to say about girls?
They're gooder.
They're gooder. They're better.
They're better.
You think they're better? Yay for girls?
Girls, yeah! What's this picture?